Every drop of sweet red watermelon juice begins here, under open skies.
Mediano aquí. Grande allá. Uniforme este.
Precision harvesting protects flavor from the very first cut. Careful handling preserves the juice locked inside. Only perfectly ripe watermelons are chosen for juice processing. From soil to system, order is essential. Mechanized transport bridges farm and factory. Temperature control starts before processing begins. The journey to transformation is about to begin. Every crate carries freshness forward. Stability and safety protect the juice to be. From field to facility, the watermelons begin their transformation. Freshly harvested watermelons now travel toward controlled environments. Cooling preserves sweetness during transit. Time and temperature remain tightly controlled. Efficiency begins long before processing. The destination draws closer with every mile. This is where raw fruit meets precision.
Documents, please.
Every shipment is logged and verified.
You're clear. Proceed.
Traceability begins at the gate. Movement here is choreographed for safety. Timing ensures freshness meets readiness. Arrival is precise, not rushed. The watermelon journey enters the factory. Behind these walls, watermelons become precision-crafted juice. Every dock is synchronized for freshness. The controlled environment opens to the plant. Gentle force protects fragile sweetness. The transfer is seamless. Every kilogram is recorded. From field to bottle, nothing is anonymous. Automation takes the lead. The factory breathes a different rhythm. The real transformation is about to begin. Cleaning begins the moment water meets rind. Every surface is stripped to purity. Gentle friction completes the wash. Nothing unwanted moves forward. Dry surfaces reveal true quality. Human eyes still matter.
Looks good. Next one.
Only the best move on. Technology confirms consistency. Each watermelon finds its path. Flow is balanced before cutting. Preparation ends, transformation begins. The watermelon is ready to become juice. The watermelon crosses the point of no return. Precision replaces pressure. Orientation defines efficiency. Nothing is wasted, everything is planned. Consistency prepares the juice. Nature reveals what must be removed. Clean pulp is the foundation of clarity. The juice begins to take form. Balance is maintained before extraction. Now, the watermelon becomes juice. Pressure begins the true transformation. Gentle force releases natural sweetness. This is the heart of the watermelon. Extraction leaves nothing behind. Flow is controlled with precision. Separation refines purity. Clarity is engineered, not assumed. Sweetness now runs clean. Only juice moves ahead. Balance ensures consistency. The juice rests, perfectly controlled. Now, technology takes command. Automation ensures perfection never drifts. Every drop follows a programmed path. Data watches what humans cannot. Transparency builds trust. Temperature shapes flavor. Accuracy is continuously verified. Consistency is engineered. Purity is protected invisibly. Cleanliness never sleeps. The system breathes as one. The final refinements await. Perfection is now measured in microns. Finishing defines stability. Safety is sealed with heat. Flavor is locked in seconds. Air is the enemy of freshness. Purity is measured, not guessed. Uniformity begins under force. Sweetness is precisely balanced. Nothing unwanted survives. The juice is now complete. Science gives the final approval. Every batch carries a fingerprint of quality. Sweetness is quantified before approval. Acidity must remain perfect. Safety is never assumed. Appearance reflects excellence. Traceability is digital and immediate. Human judgment completes the loop. Holding tanks stabilize what has been perfected. Purity is double-checked. Science guides the final journey. Every number confirms excellence. The final transformation is ready. Volume is controlled with perfection. Seals protect freshness and flavor. Identity travels with every bottle. Individual bottles become ready-to-ship cases. Protection and traceability travel together. Organization maximizes space and stability. Every load is secured for transport. Storage conditions preserve quality until delivery. The journey to customers begins again. Efficiency and care carry every batch forward. And this is how modern factories produce watermelon juice from start to finish.